Alright guys, James here with River Lunacy. I'm out here on the Ohio River. Fish are biting. Just got a nice bunch of bait. And I've not had the camera on. I think we got 6 in the boat so far. Here's one. I was just letting him sit a second because he had a hard belly on him. He actually let a little air out. We're going to let him go. Got a special guest on the boat today, PJ from Trophycat Tackle. Hello. He's out here having fun too. Let him go. Getting ready to change spots here in a minute. We got a few off here, so I think we're gonna give these fish here a chance to go, you know, do whatever they're gonna do. Pretty much kind of slowed down, so you know we're gonna move. Got us a few barge bites. We're gonna go fish some wood, I think, some mud, maybe some ledges today, using spot lock. We got a windy day, up to 8 miles an hour. River level it's moving along pretty good. I think we're at a 28.3 foot today. Let's go catch some fish. We'll be back soon. The other ones that aren't biting here, I know they gotta be here. Some, maybe just one in that mess. Us a little slow spell here, getting some little dink taps and some fish that are thinking about trying to go and then spitting the bait back at us. Finally got one on here. I think after this one we might give it another minute and then try to find something a little different to fish here and find them ones that are actually active and happy today. Blue kitty call, imagine that. Right in the corner of the mouth. No, he didn't. It's going. I do have some pliers behind you if you feel like you need that. Oh. Right down my crack, my pants, sure did. All the way. Yeah, I'm screwed. It's gonna be in there the whole time. I mean, it's down. Look at how far it is. There. Down there. Yeah. There's a fish, guys. We got a fish, and we got a big rip in the back of my pants. So hopefully YouTube will let us have that in. That's funny. Them old pants finally gave in. You can see if it's still the insulated part, where the insulated part is there, or my boxers are showing, or my boxers showing, or the insulated part.
It's insulated. Like
all right.
Pants.
Insulated. Got insulated hole. Breather.
pretty good channel, if that's a little channel.
I've got some big channels right here. I'd rather it wasn't.
Yeah.
Didn't want to wait on them to go all the way down after all that, you know. Lazy fish. A lazy blue cat there. He's quiet. He's just waiting to get up here. He's just waiting to get up here so he can make noise. A little mud on this guy. Yeah, he's real rude. He knew he was going on a camera. Be rude. Let it go. Alright. Whoa.
That's it.
Oh.
Okay, I say that keeps going down.
Yeah, and it just spun when I pulled that turn that handle too.
That's a good fish.
A little better. He's a mean one.
Come on now, you go down too. Let's double up one more time.
Right. Make this one take its time.
You do that.
Go on, baby. Take that. Just anchored up out here. I'm out away from the ledge on another hump. We got fish going down. Boom.
Better fish than I would catch it today.
Right there. They're tough guys out here too. You're getting ready to have fun. Please tell me this one ain't in that. 'Cause I need to see that one go down too. This one wants to be big.
Here's my string. My fishing line singing.
Whistling in the wind.
This feels like a much better fish.
We're on some fish again. It's almost that time, but we had to keep on for a minute here, see if we can get us another little action going on. Oh, that's a nice fish. I didn't realize that was that nice of a fish. Oh, he's hooked good. He wasn't going nowhere. How you doing over there? All right. Not a bad fish. Oh, mean one. That's what's up right there. Another hump. All right, guys. Doubling up out here with PJ.
Third double of the day.
Third double. Two decent fish. It's a heavy duty little guy here. I thought he was just lazy. He was a little bigger than I thought. Take that. I know there's another one out there because that other rod was going. Let him go. Bye-bye, big baby. Thanks for coming to see us. Little boat. Go on. There you go. Come on, little more, little more, little more. There we go. Fish on. Got him going. He's wanting to cross all my lines.
Yep, I've got 2 that are crossed up right now.
This one wants to go. I hope he stays up. If he goes back down right now, he is going to go into all of these. It's a mess maker. Come on, miss it. Come on, miss it. Don't go back. Come on, miss it. Come on, miss it. Please miss it.
Another good fish, huh?
He's not bad. He wanted to go that way quick. Usually when they go out towards the deep or go up, usually, I don't think he's like the other one, but he's a smart one. I could be wrong. I don't know yet. Oh, he's gonna get that one. That's all right. This was a fast fish here. He moved quick, going right towards the channel. He crossed 2 lines like there wasn't no tomorrow. I think I got him tamed enough to go down underneath my outside, hopefully. Nope, it's got it on it. Yep, be all right as long as we don't snag that one up. He's not a bad fish though. Oh, yeah, let him drift in with him. He was in both, flipped over one, and he just popped out of the other. It's a good fish. Now if my dogs would just act like that. He's a nice little puppy though. Down. That's a nice fish. Oh, he does have it. I was wrong. He tricked us again. He don't have it that bad though. All right, guys, another fish. I'm gonna let him go right away because I got a little tangle here.
Oh, he did.
I just want to get tightened up on this before it doesn't happen again. Oh, that's screwed. Another one. That's a strong little fish, man. These fish are so amped up right now.
What are they?
All right, guys, there's another one. Man, he ain't gonna open. That's a mean little fish. Little youngster. Calm down. Open, open, open. Get that little round, mean mouth. All right, guys, there's another bluefish. Let it go. I think we got us a River Lunacy video going on here finally. They're getting ready to go, brother. Oh, look at him. He got it. Yeah. There we go. Fish on. I'm gonna sit back here and watch the show for a little bit. Oh shoot! There goes my other one too.
Yep.
Well, I guess I gotta get back in the show again.
Yeah, you gotta get back up. I don't want to have all the foam on the show.
Oh, he spit it out. Well, never mind. My other one's trying to go too. They always know when you got something going on about that time.
Top.
That's all right. We'll wear these guys out till they stop their deal. Landed on a nice little hump out here, holding some fish. A couple pokey dokies mixed in. They're thinking about it. Little hefty guy there.
He was in the mud.
Seen that. Got some silt on him. Rebait.
Dang it. Edit, cut.
Right, we'll edit that out for him.
Another good fish.
Nice fish. Ohio River catfishing. Back to his home sweet home for the day. Alright.
There you go. There ain't that one.
Come on, stay on there.
Nice. Another one.
Another one down. Oh, must be getting tired. I'm falling over.
Oh boy, man, that water's cold.
I know, that's too cold out there. I'll have no jacket on. Be swimming.
Out of there, you go back, you can go in.
Throw a line on me. Better use one of yours with a thick line. Well, everybody likes my red rod today. They all want to go and snag up into it. Another fish on another pretty day, blue sky, and I guess you would call a spring February kind of day. Thinks it's springtime, 52 degrees today. I'm overdressed at this point now.
Yeah, I started shedding clothes.
Yeah, seen that. I thought I need to take my coat off now. I'm starting to warm up pretty good. I got the heavy neck scarf thing on for my face and that this morning. Trying to grab that little current behind the boat. It's a rascal. That's a mean old rascal. I got two sweaters on, a thermal undershirt, my catfish jacket, a hat, and a hole in the back of my britches.
But we're catching fish.
Right, we're catching them. You can still catch catfish with a giant rip in your rear end. Nope. They don't want to come out too easy, that's for sure. There's another one, guys. We're getting there, though. Try and get PJ one more. Let that mean old thing go.
Still messing with it. Oh, there he goes.
There he is. Nice hooked. One more.
If you don't want it, I'll take it.
Get him. He's mean. Still got it? He still got it. Fish on. One more for the road, guys. Maybe one, I don't know, maybe more. There's some geese. It's Super Bowl Sunday and I gotta shorten my trailer wire somewhere. So can't fish too long today because we can't drive in the dark with no tail lights. The fish are still going. It's 5 p.m. We were getting ready to be wrapping it up. We were just kind of chilling out, hanging out a little bit. That fish was happy though. Pulled it down pretty nicely. Put a good curve in the rod. Plus we're going blind. Can't see anymore.
I got dots in my eyes from the sun.
Yeah. Big burn marks in our pupils. Hopefully you guys can see. I think the camera adjusts some of that for us. Fish. Got him an old broken dorsal fin.
In pretty good shape.
Yeah. All right, guys, it's the end of the show today, unless we have another one sporadically go down. It's been a fun day. Worked all kinds of different things today. We had a little slow spell. I got off key in the middle of it all, or else the fish quit biting. I don't have a clue. But we caught fish. We had several doubles. Had a good time. It's fun to get out with PJ and somebody different to fish with. We appreciate you watching. If this is your kind of thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything else. Give me a thumbs up. Leave all the comments you want. I'll always get back to you. Thanks for watching.